What's up guys, in this video I will be showcasing you how to enable the auto rotate on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone which is running with the latest update. So basically what you might want to use one or more apps in the landscape mode like this. So let's say for instance you are using the YouTube app and you want to turn your phone and you're able to use that in the landscape mode. So to able to use that, what you need to do is to enable the screen auto rotate. And to do that, what you need to do is just swipe from the top right corner to open up the control center. Now in the control center, what you need to find out is this particular button. Just tap on that and as you can see here, it's going to say portrait orientation lock off. So now it's no longer locked in portrait mode and it can be in any app. Just turn it on sideways and now everything is in the landscape mode. Basically, when the orientation lock is turned off, you can use the phone both in the portrait and the landscape mode, and it's really depend upon you. If you put the phone in the straight mode and it will be in the portrait mode, and if you put the phone in the horizontal orientation, it is going to be in the landscape mode. Basically, you can use both the system. Automatically, it will adjust the screen based on your positioning of the phone. So guys, this is how you can activate the auto rotate on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.